How you going, guys? Sammy here. Are you sick of paying too much for ice, especially when you just want one measly bag for the day? Well, I've got good news for you. You can make it yourself, and it's even better than the stuff you buy in the shops. Now today, all we need some warm water, we need some table salt, mixing spoon, and then our molds. So I've just got any bit of Tupperware container that's going to be a good fit for wherever you want to use the ice. So make sure it fits your eski first, and then pick your container accordingly. So what you want to do, you're going to grab some table salt. I've got about a heap teaspoon there per litre of water. So I've already got one in there, but I'll chuck that one in. So you want to stir it around in the warm water till it's dissolved. Now the reason we use salt in our water is it actually freezes colder than normal fresh water. And of course, if you've got colder ice, then it's going to keep everything in there colder. So there's a little hot tip for you. Rightio, all that salt's dissolved. What we want to do is we want to fill up our containers. Okay, so you want to leave these guys in the freezer for at least 24 hours. So we'll check them again tomorrow and see how they're going. 24 hours later, they're ready to rock and roll. Grab them out, time to put them in the eski. Simply give the container a little twist, out they pop. You've got fresh, super cold ice, ready for a day out on the water. Now you can smash that ice up just like party ice, but if you're chasing longevity, just remember, block ice will always last longer. Now if you don't want an eski full of water at the end of the day, you can always do this. Fill up some old milk bottles with that salty water, freeze them up, they'll be good to go all day without the cleanup. Righto guys, catch you later.